Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome to another new video on this channel. And today we're going to do some makeup. That's why I have a champu face here. Just a little self promo here. This is my first upload after my birthday week series. Here will be the link if you haven't watched it already. And I missed last week's upload because I was really tired and exhausted from all the work, and I kind of feel guilty about it, but I hope this video makes up to it. So first things first, I have tied up my hair in a ponytail, and then I'm going to use the Inside 3-in-1 primer. I am starting off with my T-zone, and then I will rub whatever is left on my entire face. Up next is foundation, and I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation in the shade 320 warm caramel, and it is a tad bit dark for me right now, like it's my tan shade, but we can work with it. For concealer, I have Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. The only thing I don't like about this concealer is that it dries up way too quickly and it might end up being patchy, so that's an issue, but otherwise it has great coverage. I'm using this Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 17 for contouring. I have used cream contour after ages. I almost forgot that I owned it. It was like lying at the back of my drawer for a long time now. Time to set the face, and I am using the Lakme Rose Powder in the shade Warm Pink, and I am lightly dusting it all over the face. Now to add some color to my cheeks, I am using this blush from Sugar in the shade Pink Pinnacle, and then I am going ahead and setting the whole face with this Color Bar makeup fixer. Finally moving on to the eyes, and I am going to do my brows first, and for that I am using this Wet n Wild brow kit, and then I will just use the same concealer and carve out the brows. Now comes the main part of this video, and I am using this green liner from Blue Heaven, and I am going to start by making a wavy line to depict the snake's body. I'm scared. I'll ruin the whole thing. I'm scared. And for the head of the snake, I am simply making a triangle at first, and then I am going to make the edges a little rounded, and that's it. That's the base of the snake. So for the other eye, I want the snake to go around my brow, and here's a reference picture of it. I am just marking the areas where I want the snake to be, and I am also going to put a little concealer at the tip of my brow where I want the snake to overlap my brow. And then I'm just going to follow the line and draw as I did on the first eye. To add some details to the snake, I am using this Elegir liner. I am using the old one so that it doesn't have much product on it, and I am making random strokes all over the snake. Almost forgot to add the tongue, but that's the thing that makes it more snake like, and I am going to repeat the whole thing on the other snake as well. Let's add some more details because why not? I am using this Makeup Revolutions palette and I am using the steel shade all over my lids, and then I'm going to play around with some greens. So I wanted this look to look dainty, and that's why I decided to add some details with this metallic liner from Lakme. And again I added some random lines and dots, and that's it. And for the final touches, I am just hand drawing some scale pattern. Initially I wanted to make those scales that you make with the help of stockings, but I didn't have the required material, so I just decided to hand draw these kind of scales, and I think they look pretty too. Finishing off the look with some mascara and lipstick, and that's it, we are done. So that is the look, you guys. I feel like it turned out so good and it looks so dainty and pretty. I am in love, and if you are too, then don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in another video next week. So bye bye.